here, back with another video. This is a drugstore makeup video. This is going to be an all e.l.f. line makeup look that I did here. I didn't have lip liner from them because I forgot to get it from the store yesterday. But other than that, everything is all e.l.f. If you guys want to see how I got this amazing look, just keep on watching the video. And let me tell you, this is $3. This is amazing. Like, pigment, it's just beautiful. And it's called Carnival Candy. This is such a pretty palette, and I'm so glad I picked this up. But yeah, I really like this look. I think it came together well. I don't know, it's cute. And I look like Scary Spice, and it's beautiful. Alright, as you guys can see, got on some glasses. I'm gonna be taking these guys off because can't do my makeup with glasses on, and also it's clearly creating a glare. So, you know, that's the issue. This video is just going to be a drugstore, all e.l.f., you know, makeup. I think we're just gonna do a voiceover. There'll probably be some parts I talk, but this is mostly gonna be a voiceover. Let's just get to it. As you guys can see right here, I'm just doing my eyebrows using the e.l.f. Ultra Precise Brow Pencil in the same manner in which you guys have seen me do my eyebrows before many times. But if you would like a more in-depth tutorial on that, let me know in the comments and I'll go ahead and get that done. So I got 4 concealers from e.l.f. all together. I just got 2 new ones yesterday because I realized I didn't have one to contour with. So I had to pick that up yesterday, and I got it in the color Deep Cinnamon. And then I got another highlighter in Tan Neutral because I already had the Deep Olive one, but I like to do two coats of concealer. As you guys know, whenever I do my concealer, so I picked up that Tan Neutral, and I'm just gonna put that on top of my Deep Olive. So now I'm just concealing my eyebrows with Deep Olive, and I'm just taking that concealer all the way down onto my eyelid to kind of get myself a little base, and I'm buffing everything out. These eyebrows are gonna come out for circumstances. Came out pretty okay. Next, I'm taking the e.l.f. Concealer, 16-hour Camo Concealer in the color Fair Warm. And I'm using this as an eyeshadow base for my colors that I'm going to lay down. And I'm just blending that out by patting it in with a blending brush. I'm picking up the e.l.f. Cosmetic eyeshadow palette, and this is a $3 palette, you guys. Yes, I said $3, and it is in the color Carnival Candy. This is their bite-sized candy line. I really like it. You guys are going to see me come back later and show you the wear on this and just the overall look. It just looks so good. Next, I am moving up in the palette to that next warmest shade, which is that kind of darker brown brick red color. I'm just putting that right in my crease, right above that blue. Just trying to get a little bit of a blend in between those colors, but right now I'm just laying it down. And just blend. I'm going in order of the palette and just using that lighter brown that is right next to that brick red to create this look and create a gradient of color. Next is my E.L.F. eyeliner, and I'm just going to go ahead and attempt a wing. You guys, I'm getting better at this wing thing. Actually, you know what? I'm sorry. Scratch it. I did not do a wing. I forgot. I just did a very small line. And now I'm putting on the E.L.F. Cosmetics foundation in the color Cinnamon. I'm so glad I was able to find a color that matched me, because I believe the last time I got their foundation, I couldn't find a color that matched me, and this just really looks so good. Their makeup is flawless. Like, let's just talk about how much E.L.F. is coming up with concealers, foundation, their eyeshadow game, just everything. They're just coming up, just everything. And as you can see, I'm just going over everything and just making sure things are nicely blended in with my beauty sponge. This is shockingly turning out pretty okay. No, it's literally, because I told you the last time I had gotten like their foundation, girl, it was not the right color. Like, because I know they have like this little sliver in there for you to like kind of see like the actual color, but it's not like, I don't know, it don't be looking like it's supposed to. So next, I'm going to go ahead again, pick up my Deep Olive and highlight under my eyes. And then I'm going to grab my tan neutral and use that on certain areas that I want a little bit brighter and I want a little bit extra light or attention to. I've really been liking this technique of, you know, blending out concealers with like a brush first and then going back over it with like a beauty sponge. This is just, I don't know, I've just been finding that this works a lot better for me and that things look very, very seamless, you know, once the entire look is done. But I really, really love these concealers. Like, they're so creamy and beautiful, but they're not too liquidy and runny. Like, they're just perfect. I'm just going over that concealer and using my beauty sponge to, you know, kind of get things pressed in even more. And I know it's looking a little bright right now, you guys, a little crazy, a little lighter than my usual concealer, but it's going to get brought back to life by this deep cinnamon. This is such a beautiful color. Like, I don't know, I'm just in love with the concealers. I'm about to have to pick up the whole line. E.L.F, you guys might as well just put me on the PR list because I love your line. Snatched.
Wow, now I'm gonna be ready.
E.L.F actually came with it. Came with some game, some heat. This looks really good. I'm going to be using the Prime and Stay Finishing Powder in the color Medium Dark from E.L.F to bronze my skin. I'm just going to be putting that everywhere that I contoured. And I am a very generous bronzer because I just really, really, really love a snatched look and I love a very bronze look.
Where's my powder? Oh, stupid. Right here.
I'm using the E.L.F translucent powder to cut underneath my contour as well as set all of my face and brows. I was wrong, you guys. I know I said that the other thing was like the only thing that I used from that wasn't from E.L.F, but I forgot also my highlighter as well because I forgot to pick up a highlighter from them, but I definitely need to do so. That was just like my Juvia's Place, but we don't worry about that. And I'm going to be using their liquid lipstick in the color Blushing Rose. And this is such a pretty mauvey pink color. And in my eye, my waterline, I'm going to be using the No Budge, No Smudge black eyeliner from E.L.F's line. Now I'm going to be taking that blue and that Carnival palette that I told you guys about from E.L.F. and I'm just going to be smudging out the waterline. And then right under that, I'm going to take that brick red and also put that right under that blue to create a nice little bluish smoky eye. All right, I'm gonna put on my lashes and I will be back. Okay, I just wanted to come back here after about 12 hours of having on my makeup and just say, E.L.F, you did your thing because foundation has not broken up. I'm a little bit oily like in this area, but that's probably 100% me. I was sleeping. I took a nap for like 2 hours in their defense. Come on. I took a nap for like 2 hours or so. I did sleep on my back, so my face still looks flawless. But honestly, I am shook. This might be my new thing. You know, I might have to just rock with E.L.F for a minute on the look because this came together. Lips still on, contour, everything. Eyeshadow, literally. And I sweat a little in my sleep sometimes. Like everything is intact. Hair too, but that's all me, you know. But yeah, that's all I wanted you guys to know was that this foundation and concealer and everything is flawless. And honestly, I don't even think I'm all that oily. This is crazy. Shop E.L.F.